Okay. Data v underscore Mattner type Mattner data MAKT type standard table of MAKT. Okay. Initialization v underscore Mattner is equal to 100. Okay. We are initializing vMatter that will have by default 100 loaded in this variable. Okay. Form get underscore data vMatter equals 200. Now we are loading and form. Okay. Form get data get matrix using value of p underscore v underscore Mattner. There is no full stop because in form and form we actually give this is a segment. Okay, changing pt underscore MAKT like IT underscore mact. Okay, select from MAKT into table IT underscore PT underscore mact where Mattner equals P underscore Mattner. Form get underscore mac text. Let me save it first. It might. Okay. Get mac text using value p underscore v underscore Mattner. Changing pt mact like IT mact. Okay. Select from MAKT into table PT mact where Mattner equals P underscore V underscore Mattner and form. Okay. And now these are two forms. We'll deactivate this one for a while. Form get mactex. Get mactex using value PV Mattner. Okay. And form. Check